This is the case that parents really need to understand, because you can invoke your fifth in civil proceedings, but judge, they can assume your silence means the answer will hurt you. That's the complete opposite of criminal court. Nicholas P. was an inmate at Rhode Island Adult Correctional Institution. He was charged with inciting a disturbance during a prison riot, facing both prison disciplinary charges and potential criminal prosecution. So what happened? At his prison disciplinary hearing, Nicholas was advised he could remain silent, was also told his silence could be used against him in the disciplinary hearing. In the decision that they made, his silence can be used against him. He stayed silent. The disciplinary board considered his silence as part of their decision against him. He argued this violated his Fifth Amendment rights, which gave him the right to remain silent. So let's get into the legal question of it, In a civil proceeding, which understand, family court is a civil proceeding. So in a civil proceeding, can a tribunal draw negative inferences from a party's decision to remain silent? The outcome of this was the Supreme Court ruled that the Fifth Amendment does not prohibit drawing adverse inferences from silence in civil proceedings, This is unlike criminal trials, where silence cannot be held against you. In court, silence cannot, your Fifth Amendment, you can invoke that. Silence cannot be held against you in the court of law, in the criminal court of law, So, unlike criminal trials where silence cannot be held against you, civil tribunals, including family court, can consider your refusal to answer as evidence against you. This is the case that kills that I plead the fifth in court. In family court, This is the case that lets you know pleading the fifth in family court can hurt you. Criminal court, silence cannot be used against you, but in civil court it can. Family court is a civil proceeding. When you refuse to answer in family court, the judge can think, what are you hiding? Why don't you want to answer this question? What does answering this question do for your case? It must hurt you, because if it helped you, you would answer it. And they're allowed to do that in a civil proceeding. Your silence in custody case can be interpreted as evidence of guilt or wrongdoing. When you refuse to answer, the judge doesn't think that you're exercising the right. He thinks that you are hiding something. What are you hiding?